What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I Take You Out Guy here with another cord cutting tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to get free channels, free movies and TV channels without using an actual antenna. As you can see, this is my TV guide on a Roku TV, and it's showing you all the free channels I'm getting right now. All the free channels I'm getting without an antenna box, okay? So if you want no buffer, no lag or anything like that without internet, I'm going to show you that for those that deactivated your, let's say your DirecTV, your Comcast, what have you, they do leave the cord available. Okay, the cable cord that they install, okay, you plug that to the back of your, HD TV. So you plug it up to the back of that, you just screw it in like that. All right. And then you will get this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you will get all these channels for free. You'll get all these channels for free. All right, this is my TV guide on the Roku. I get about maybe roughly 20 plus channels for free. All right, 20 plus, 30, what have you. Well, this is in our family room, okay? So you can, depending on the location of the cables, cord, or whatever like that, you can probably get maybe roughly 100 channels. All right? Now, for those of you that don't know that if you have internet access already, you can get this application called Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV also gives you almost up to 1,000 channels and movie and TV catalog for free, well, via internet, of course. But if you don't have internet at the house right now, and you have a deactivated cable account or what have you, go ahead and just test out that cord down there, plug it up to the back of the TV, and then use the antenna. Use the antenna TV. You'll get a preview if you got Roku. You'll get a preview showing that you have live TV antenna for free. All right, this is my tutorial for cord cutters. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you already know about that, or are you going to try it later on today? Like I said, if you got deactivated Charter, Spectrum, or whatever like that, go ahead and test out that cable. Plug it up to the back of your smart TV, and you should have free channels. All right, it's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.